Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl O, and I'm here with an update video and a styling tutorial for you guys. So if you want to hear all about this unit and see how I achieve these beautiful curls, then stay tuned. So if you are a loyal supporter of mine, then you've seen my first review on this hair. It is by Nadula Hair. I'll be sure to list all their information down in my description box, so don't forget to check there, and I'll have all the details that you will want to know on this unit as far as the density, the origin, and all that good stuff. Okay, so it's all that good stuff. So one thing I can tell you off the bat is this hair is 22 inches long and I'm loving it. Loving it. The curls on this unit came out so beautiful, and if you see my first review on this wig, then you've seen that I put some loose curls in it with my flat iron, and those curls last me 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I said that I was going to flexi rod it, but I didn't flexi rod it until I decided to do this style. So if you want some good body wave hair, then this hair is definitely some hair I would suggest to you. So before I get into how I achieve this curl pattern, I'm just going to tell you guys some pros about this unit because I have absolutely no cons. This is a wig. You guys know I will sell a wig, but this one, I'm thinking this one is going to be my birthday hair. I'm not for sure, but I'm thinking this hair is going to be my birthday hair, so that means I'm definitely keeping this wig. So y'all know I'm loving it. For real, for real. The shedding has been next to none with this unit. No tangling. And I have slept in this hair. I have taken showers in this hair, and I have not got any tangling. I can always easily run my fingers through this hair. I have had this wig for almost 2 months now, you guys, and I've been wearing it pretty consistently, except for if I'm trying out a different unit. You guys know how that goes. But this has been a go-to wig for me, so that definitely says a lot. And if you see my other video, then you know I did the elastic band method, so it makes it just effortless for me to put this wig on, lay a little bit of, you know, my baby hairs, and roll. So I love that. You know, I had to throw that in. I'm team elastic band all day. Okay, makes it so easy when you want to wear frontal wigs. Another thing I wanted to mention before we get into the styling is that this is such a low maintenance wig. I would suggest that if you're wearing this wig on an everyday basis, that you shampoo it maybe once every like 4 weeks, and if you need to, co-wash it maybe every 2 weeks, maybe, because I find that this wig doesn't hold product like that. Granted, I don't really use hardly any product in this hair because it doesn't need it, but I just wanted to throw that out there, being that it's going into the winter time. A lot of my divas out there want some low maintenance hair that they don't want to have to do too much with, you know? So that's what I love about this wig. And another thing that I love about body wave hair in general, the styling options are endless. So I just want to just give you guys my overall opinion about Nadula Hair body wave. Lace front wig, 20 inches, diva style. Yes, yes, yes. I'm feeling her. And if you purchase her, let me know how you're feeling her as well. I used 2 different kind of flexi rods to achieve this look. I used 6 of the, I'm going to say like the small size flexi rods, and I used 4 of the more medium size flexi rods. And I'm gonna tell you guys a little secret about flexi rodding your hair. You want to make sure that you strategically wrap the hair a certain way to achieve whichever look you're trying to achieve. So with this look, I wanted that like kind of wand curl effect. I don't have a wand curler. Surprisingly, I need to get one, but I wanted that effect. So I strategically curled this hair with the flexi rods in a certain way. You guys are going to see that in the next clip. And I got these voluminous diva special occasion kind of curls. This is like prom hair, wedding hair, birthday hair. You know your girl's birthday is coming up, so this is possibly going to be my birthday wig, and I'm probably going to rock a style like this. I don't know, but I just wanted to throw that out there just in case you guys aren't familiar with flexi riding hair.
You know it's been a while and I missed that. I ain't tryna rush through the chit chat. I'm tryna get through to you, so give me feedback. Put in work for you, I hope you see that. Cause I need to know if I cut off my hose, would you leave me alone? I'm tryna be with you. Girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All them other chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side, if you down to live on my side. All I need is you, if you down to ride. When I look at you, guess I got a type. Yeah, from A to Z, you know I choose you. In the summertime, you my new boo.
He can't love you like I love you, girl. You must be crazy, trying to replace me, baby. Cause girl, I traded on for you.